Welcome to our Sigzen ERP tutorial on creating a production plan. In this video, we'll cover how to create a production plan from sales orders and material requests. Let's start by creating a production plan from a sales order. First, type Production Plan List in the Awesome bar. This will display all the previous production plans. Click on Add Production Plan to create a new production plan. You'll see fields for the company and posting date. Click on Get Items From and select Sales Order. Enter the item name in the item code field and click on Get Sales Order. This action fetches your sales order into the sales order table. Next, click on Get Finished Goods for Manufacture to fetch finished goods with their BOM in subassembly items. Then, click on Get Assembly Items to fetch subassembly details. In the Material Request Planning section, enter the raw material warehouse in the respective field. Click on Get Raw Materials from Transfer, select the warehouse, and click Get Items. If the system has goods in another warehouse, all material transfer details will appear in the raw materials table. If you don't have raw materials in your warehouse and need to purchase them, click on the Get Raw Materials for Purchase button. This action will show all raw materials purchase details in the raw materials table. If you have raw materials in your warehouse but still want to purchase them, tick Ignore Available Stock. The details of the raw materials for purchase will then be shown in the table. Check the Other Details section, then save and submit to create the production plan. Next, material request is required for this production. Go to the Create button and click on Material Request. This action will create a material request. Go to the material request from the connection, open it, and go to the Create button to click on Purchase Order. Select the supplier in the supplier field, then save and submit to create the purchase order. For the purchase receipt, go to the Create button and select Purchase Receipt. Enter the accepted warehouse and save and submit to create the purchase receipt. Now, let's create a production plan from material requests. Go to the production plan and click on Add Production Plan. Click on Get Items From and select the Material Request option. Follow the same steps as the sales order process. Finally, save and submit to create the production plan. And that's it. You now know how to create a production plan in Sigzen ERP from both sales orders and material requests. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Sigzen ERP.